Good morrow. Look, if you can see me, I'm not recording in 4K, you can't zoom right in, but I'm kind of covered in sweat. My video before this one, which should have been this video, and I should have been one and done for the day, I had a wrong setting set, so I'm doing it a second time. Not usually so tired or sweaty. Look, that is to say, I run through two little clips. One as a reference. I keep the soundtrack consistent. I've set the room to the same 75 dB mark, so the microphones are recording with the same dynamics. What we're doing this time is we're putting a re-equalization processor in the audio line. So I'm going to play two sample gain levels, but one of them is a reference against earlier clips. The clip before this morning will have listed some of those amps and some of the rotations we've put in place and what our expectations are for some of these change-ups. But this clip here, I'm just going to simply re-record, get that actual audio in two-channel mode, not as I just had it in 5 or 7 or however many speakers an Atmos setup might have. Multi-channel mode. I don't really don't want it to be quite so loud. And it isn't really the reference that I needed to do. So what I'm going to do here is, instead of running, it was set to profile 2, I've now put that on profile 1, which is the way I've set it up. It's now in proper two-channel mode. With the dB set as I believe I set them, should be about 75 dB is the dynamic peak, and should allow for a nice clean recording. And what I'll do now is play those two levels again. So usually what I describe in these videos is they are a little bit raw. I don't mind capturing them with all the little errors that I might make coming along the way. I'm a bit of a PC gamer for many a decade. Playing on the console is quite enjoyable, just to the ease of use of the experience, how simple it is to get it all happening. So just down here we can see that there's those cool little boxes. We've got the one on the left is a integrated amplifier from about the year 2000. It's got valves in the preamp stage, so they kind of analog or warm up the sound a bit. To the right of that is an Anthem processor, which has that brilliant audio. It's room correction, and it'll basically flatline your sound as if you're in a studio. You don't have any walls or anything affecting your various reflections. So hopefully I've got a safe space here now to get back into the game. As I say, we have a method here where we play Muse Uprising. I've got sort of 4 or 5 videos prior to this one which play the same track through different amps. The speakers staying the same, everything else staying the same. We're just trying to pick up inherent amp quality changes. And what we've done now is we've taken the amp of a previous clip and we've just run it through a flatliner. I'm going to confirm that is still, in my eyes, way too loud. Now that's fair to say that the menus and those sorts of things can be quite dynamic, but I do find that one's a little bit loud. A lot closer to matching the experience. As I say, the menu's a little bit compressed. Get out of there. Uh-oh. At which point do you just redo a video? Alrighty. Okay, so that's a lot of fun, and when I've already had a crack in the day, I guess I'm a little bit warmed up, and I feel like I've ripped my viewers off from seeing me attempt the new level in this game, Pistol Whip here. I have already had 3 attempts at it. The first attempt was single pistols. It's not really my favourite way of playing these games, and then I moved it to double pistols or dual pistols, and did have a lot of fun, I must admit, but felt like I was doing my daily recording. Turns out I wasn't, so here we are. If I look like I'm a bit better than I actually am, it's because I have had some practice.
I see things that aren't there, particularly people.
Oh, so you don't believe that either?
You and me. I don't really know if anything's real, but I know that this space station is real on the planet, the universe, the galaxy.
Alrighty, so not to reveal the ending, I suppose, to anybody out there. I feel like I've made it as far today as I am likely to make it. But put a little bit of a block in. There's a chance for us to have some sampled audio recorded. Chance for anyone to see the new level as it's unlocked. Thanks for being. Cheers.